In a forgotten shipping yard near New Jersey, workers recently stumbled on something incredible. A container, sealed shut for decades, sitting in the back of a derelict loading dock. Inside, a legendary Ferrari, untouched since 1963. There were no records, no markings, no indication of what was inside, until the doors creaked open and the beam of a flashlight hit a curve. Not just any curve, but the unmistakable silhouette of a Ferrari 250 GT SWB Berlinetta, covered in decades of dust, flat tires, a sagging leather interior, but beneath it all, a perfectly preserved automotive time capsule. The Ferrari 250 GT SWB Berlinetta isn't just rare, it's sacred. Built between 1959 and 1962, just over 160 units were ever made. SWB stands for short wheelbase, a racing variant with sharper handling, improved balance, and fierce performance. It was a car built to dominate both track and road, and it did. The 250 GT SWB helped Ferrari secure its place in GT racing history. Driven by legends like Stirling Moss and Wolfgang von Trips, it conquered the Tour de France, Goodwood, and even Le Mans. It was fast. It was beautiful. It was unstoppable. The Berlinetta found in this container, chassis number 2337 GT, originally ordered by a wealthy industrialist in New York. He was known for his private collection of European exotics, but also for keeping his life extremely private. Rumors suggest he fell into legal trouble in the late 60s. Some say the car was hidden from creditors. Others believe he simply disappeared, leaving behind a locked container and no instructions. Why it ended up sealed for 60 years remains a mystery. Some say it was hidden for insurance fraud. Others whisper of a family feud. One thing is certain, no one touched it for 6 decades. Despite the silence, the car was complete. Original Colombo 512 engine, matching numbers gearbox. Even the hand-stitched seats were intact, cracked, but unmistakably original. Under the trunk mat, the original toolkit, jack, and manuals. Collectors say this might be the most original unrestored SWB in existence. And in the world of classic Ferraris, that word, unrestored, is everything. Restored cars can be beautiful, but they erase the scars of time. This car wore them proudly. Dust on the dash, oxidized paint. A gentle dent on the left fender, untouched since 1964. That kind of authenticity is priceless. Estimated value? Between $16 and $18 million. Even in this condition, maybe especially in this condition. It's since been authenticated by Ferrari Classiche. Plans are underway to preserve it exactly as it was found. Not polished, not rebuilt, just paused in time. Because sometimes the story is worth more than the shine. A car like this isn't just metal and horsepower. It's a window into another era, into the roar of 1960s racing, the luxury of grand tours, the quiet obsession of a man who wanted to own history and hide it from the world. Not every treasure is buried underground. Some are locked in steel, hidden in plain sight, waiting to be found. At ThrottleDust, we bring those stories back to life. Subscribe for more forgotten legends.